Welcome to another immigration art video. My name is Art Serratelli, and I'm the partner that our immigration law group also is a full-service law group. We do every type of immigration case possible, so if you have any question about immigration, please contact us. Today's video is the third in a series I like to call But my friend told me today's topic is the specific, and you've probably heard this, I hope you've heard it. My friend told me that if I'm in America for 7 years, or if I'm in America for 5 years, or if I'm in America for 10 years, I can just get a green card. Is that true? Again, when you hear yourself saying, my friend says I can do that, or I read on the internet this or that, ask yourself, does that make sense? If someone could just come here and stay, whether they have a legal status or not, they could just get a green card if they have been here for 10 years, or 7 years, or 5 years. Is that true? And the answer is probably not. That would be too easy. As of the date of this video, currently, there are estimated to be 11 million undocumented individuals in the United States of America. 11 million. If every person at the end of 10 years could get a green card, there'd be no undocumented people. So what is the basis for people telling you? Why are they telling you this? If you and I have a feeling it's not true, where are they getting this information from? The answer is the immigration grapevine. You hear something that a friend told you, and that friend was told by a friend, who 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 was told by a friend. So what is the basis? The kernel of truth is, in this case, something called cancellation of removal. You'd have to put yourself in deportation, or to have the government put you in deportation in order to get a green card, even to begin to think about getting a green card in this situation. A more comprehensive background regarding the history of cancellation of removal is found on, of all places, Wikipedia. It's pretty good. There is cancellation of removal for non-permanent residents. There's cancellation of removal for people who are lawful permanent residents. And there is suspension of deportation. And in a nutshell, here, again, no magic, I'll just read it right off of Wikipedia. Under the suspension of deportation, if you lived in America physically for 7 years, there's 7 years. And there's two kinds of cancellation of removal. One is for people who are non-permanent residents. And for you to qualify, you need to show that you have been here for 10 years. The second kind of cancellation of removal is for people who have lawful permanent residence and they commit a crime and they do something bad and they are being placed in deportation. What you've got to prove there, you have been a lawful permanent resident for not less than 5 years. There's the 5 years. Is it true? Is it really true that I can just get a green card for being here 5 years or 7 years? or 10 years? And the answer is no. They're forgetting one key element. You need to be in deportation proceedings first, and it's not as simple as it sounds. And do you really want to be planning your future around a deportation case?